A very common question that patients ask is, why are dental implants so expensive? Now, I understand compared to the cost of a filling, which may be a couple of £100, is much smaller than compared to the cost of a dental implant, which can be anything from £2,500 to £3,000. The reason why there is such a discrepancy in the cost is down to, number one, the materials and equipment used in the provision of dental implant treatment is considerable. We need to have specialised implant treatment motors to place the dental implant. We need to have a whole kit that deals with the dental implant system, and we also make the use of 3D bone scanners, scanners of the teeth. All of these items are considerable investments for any dental practice, and there is also an element of servicing to keep them safe and efficient to use. Another reason of the cost of dental implant treatment, it comes down to the training that your team has. Now, you can go for a one-day course to learn dental implant, or you may prefer to go on a master's level course over a number of 1, 2 or 3 years sometimes. Now, all of this time taken out of dental practice to go and learn, pay the fees, all contributes to the costs that your team will incur in order to provide this treatment to you at a high level. For dental implant treatment, sometimes it's a very simple case. Sometimes it's quite an extended case where there are multiple appointments involved. Another reason why the cost of a dental implant may seem more expensive is down to the fact that you may need a number of appointments to return in terms of having the treatment done, having reviews, compared to a filling when you'll come and it's done in one short course of treatment, the same day within half an hour or so. Another reason why dental implant treatment can be expensive is we need to have custom-made components to fit your dental implant so it fits your mouth and your set of teeth. Quite often these components have to be designed specifically to fit the implant inside your mouth. The final way to look at the cost of dental implants is not to look at the number itself, but it's to look at the benefits that it can give you. We find that when we're doing larger cases where people have had multiple missing teeth or loose dentures, the cost of their treatment is not insignificant. If they can look at the value that they have achieved after the treatment, for example, a lot of people aren't able to eat certain foods until they've had dental implant treatment, and when you ask them how it's changed their life, quite often they'll say they're much more confident in eating. They don't have to be worried about going out to eat with friends and having a loose denture. So there are other ways that patients can look at what value they have received from dental implant treatment.